Hi, I'm Rick from Venus Creation Jewelers. We're a family-owned and operated fine jewelry store located in Little Falls, New Jersey for the last 50 years. Not only will our team show you sparkling fine jewelry, we also have a full-service repair shop. Some additional service we offer are, we'll buy your old gold, silver, diamond jewelry. We specialize in diamond engagement rings, custom designs, insurance, and estate appraisals. Just for stopping by our booth, you'll be entered in a drawing for a $500 shopping spree. In addition to that, what's even better yet is, just for coming in our store, we will have a jewelry spa gift tote bag waiting for you. And we will see you at the store.